Welcome back to Powerhouse 787, where we delve into the world of powerful diesel engines and the machines they drive. If you're passionate about heavy-duty trucks and the engines that power them, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're exploring the Caterpillar 3406C engine, a renowned workhorse in the world of diesel engines. Known for its durability and performance, the 3406C has been a staple in various industries, powering everything from trucks to industrial machinery. Let's begin with the specifications of the 3406C. This engine is an inline six-cylinder, four-stroke cycle diesel engine with a displacement of 14.6 liters. It features a bore of 137 mm and a stroke of 165 mm. The 3406C delivers a power output ranging from 375 to 465 horsepower at 1800 to 2100 RPM, with a maximum torque of approximately 2172 Nm at 1350 RPM. The engine's aspiration system is turbocharged and aftercooled, enhancing its efficiency and performance. It has a compression ratio of 14.5 to 1 and rotates counterclockwise from the flywheel end. The 3406C's net dry weight is around 1,300 kilograms, making it a substantial yet manageable power unit for heavy-duty applications. The 3406C is known for its reliability and durability, making it a popular choice in various industries. It's widely used in applications such as mining, construction, forestry, and marine industries. The engine's robust design allows it to withstand harsh operating conditions, ensuring consistent performance over time. One of the key features of the 3406C is its mechanical simplicity. Unlike modern engines that rely heavily on electronic controls, the 3406C's mechanical fuel injection system makes it easier to maintain and repair, especially in remote locations where advanced diagnostic tools may not be readily available. In terms of maintenance, the 3406C is designed with serviceability in mind. It features a crankcase breather, oil cooler, lube oil filter, and a rear sump oil pan. The engine also includes lifting eyes and a vibration damper, facilitating easier installation and maintenance. The 3406C's fuel efficiency is another notable aspect. While it may not match the fuel economy of newer, electronically controlled engines, its straightforward design and robust construction contribute to a reliable performance that many operators appreciate. In the realm of emissions, the 3406C is categorized as non-certified, meaning it doesn't meet current emission standards. However, its mechanical nature allows for retrofitting with emissions upgrade kits to reduce particulate matter and nitrogen oxide emissions, aligning it more closely with modern environmental requirements. The 3406C's versatility extends to its applications. It's commonly found in heavy-duty trucks, construction equipment, marine vessels, and industrial machinery. Its adaptability to various power needs makes it a go-to engine for many operators seeking a reliable and powerful solution. When comparing the 3406C to its successors, such as the 3406E and the C15, it's evident that while newer models offer advancements in electronic controls and emissions compliance, the 3406C's mechanical simplicity and proven reliability continue to make it a favored choice in many applications. In conclusion, the Caterpillar 3406C engine stands as a testament to robust engineering and dependable performance. Its mechanical design, ease of maintenance, and adaptability across various industries have solidified its reputation as a reliable workhorse. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the Caterpillar 3406C engine. We hope this information has provided valuable insights into its specifications, features, and applications. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth analyses and discussions on diesel engines and heavy-duty machinery. Until next time, keep your engines running smoothly and your journeys safe.